can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin QNT. The last 1 month has seen QNT rally up by 27%. The last 1 year has seen QNT rally up by 23%. It's safe to say the last 1 month has seen renewed optimism come back to the altcoin market. Double-digit gains across the board. QNT is one of the huge gainers. We're waiting for that epic Altseason pump. In this video, we're taking a look at QNT's performance against the US dollar, QNT's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, QNT's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also look at QNT's market cap, which currently sits around the $1.6 billion level. How high can we go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. QNT, Quant, QNT is currently trading around $112 with 24-hour trading volume of over $30 million. It has a fully diluted market cap of $1.66 billion. The all-time high happened on the 11th of September 2021. We saw QNT trading for as high as $428. Right now is down 73% from that all-time highs. The all-time low for QNT came in August of 2018. 7 years ago, trading for as low as $0.16. It's been a long ride for QNT holders. If you have been holding QNT, well done. The altcoin market is where you get those 100x. The altcoin market is where you get those 1000x. But remember, guys, Altseason is coming, but Altseason might not be coming to your token. Now let's look at what QNT has been doing over the years. After QNT was launched in August of 2018, we saw QNT rallying to all-time highs. It rallied for around 3 years. By the time the rally ended in August of 2021, QNT had rallied up by more than 1,945x. That's very crazy. $1,000 invested in QNT would have turned to over $1 million. But since 2021, guys, market participants caught on to QNT. They saw the big gains QNT had. Everybody was buying QNT, expecting for it to continue pumping, but the market doesn't go up in a straight line. If you see a long period of us pumping to the moon, we're going to have a long period of us going sideways. We're going to have a long period of us going through consolidation, and that's what happened to QNT since 2021. September 2021, QNT was trading around $400+. Since then, it dumped. We have never gotten back to the $400 level. How did we dump? Did we go to zero? No, we didn't. We first saw QNT losing the $440 level, finding support around the $40 region in June of 2020. QNT was down 90%. But market participants were shorting, expecting to continue going down to Goblin Town. But then we had a rally. That rally took us into October of 2022. That was where the bottom of the market came in. QNT rallied up 400%. But guys, that 400% pump in the bear market, it looked like a blessing in disguise. But right now, that's part of what's holding QNT down. QNT has not been able to rally above where it was trading in October of 2022, deep in the crypto bear market. Since October of 2022, guys, we have seen QNT lose around 74% of its value, eventually finding a bottom in October of 2024. In that time period, Bitcoin was going up, Bitcoin was pumping to new all-time highs, QNT was consolidating, going sideways. And in October, we thought QNT was ready to pump to the moon. We were wrong. QNT rallied up to as high as $173, a 200% pump. It faced resistance there. And right now, QNT is back down, attempting to continue pumping. Guys, these altcoins can be very troublesome and worrying at some point in time. They will look like they will never pump, but when they pump, those pumps can come very quickly and very violently. QNT right now trades above $112, but where we'll be expecting QNT to start the madness will be around the $169 level. Now, to QNT rallies above $169, I still believe we have not started a parabolic move. I'm a huge believer in Altseason. Altseason always ends the crypto bull market cycle. I don't think this time is different. And if Altseason is going to end the bull market cycle, how high QNT possibly go over the next few days and the next few weeks from the $111 level where we are currently trading? For QNT to rally above where it was trading in October of 2022, we need to see more than 100% pump. For us to pass the previous all-time highs, QNT need more than a 293% pump from where we are currently trading, which is very possible, which can happen very quickly. But remember, your number one job in the market, guys, is to buy low and to sell high, to buy when there is fear in the market, and to sell when greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, we're seeing some form of fear in the market. I'm not going to be shocked to see great returns in the future with QNT rallying to the moon. If you want to get some QNT for yourself, you can get it on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on BitGet, on Qcoin, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some QNT right there. The main aim of Quant using Overledger is to bridge the gap that exists between different blockchains. The backbone of the project is the Overledger network, which Quant built as the ecosystem on which the future digital economy ecosystem will be built. Now, if you look at QNT's performance against the top two cryptocurrencies in the market, Quant's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, since 2022, Quant has been dumping violently against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. We first saw one top for its come against Bitcoin in September of 2021, and that pump we had in October of 2022, we saw it set new all-time highs against Bitcoin. But since then, Quant has been on a downhill path against Bitcoin. We have seen it lose more than 93% of its value against Bitcoin, eventually finding a bottom in April of 2025. I was expecting a reaction from Quant's valuation against Bitcoin. I was expecting Quant to give us one big, huge rally against Bitcoin, maybe 100, maybe a 200% pump, but I don't think all-time highs is possible anytime soon. I was expecting Quant to rally up like 100 to 200% against Bitcoin in the foreseeable future. Historically, that's how the bull market always ends, with all coins outperforming on their Bitcoin and on their Ethereum peers. If you look at Quant's performance against Ethereum since 2022, it has also been dumping aggressively to gobbling town against Ethereum. Against Ethereum, we have seen Quant lose more than 88% of its value. Even though it has been pumping the last few days, guys, since 2022, Quant has not been able to rally past its valuation against both Ethereum and Bitcoin. In the coming days and the coming weeks, don't get carried away. If you see Quant outperforming both Ethereum and Bitcoin, that's what happens historically at the end of a market cycle. I don't think Quant will be going to new all-time highs, but I believe there's a period of outperformance for Quant in the nearest future. We've seen huge liquidations in the cryptocurrency market over the last 3 days. Don't get carried away, guys. Don't get liquidated before the main party starts. Quant's market cap sweetly sweet above the $1.6 billion level. We have seen Quant's market cap hit an all-time high in 2021 of around $5.2 billion. We can still get back to that $5.2 billion level, but that will require madness from Quant. That will require more than a 274% pump from where we are currently trading. Never say never, but my primary target in this bull market cycle with Quant making it a market valuation of around $3 billion. That's erasing the October 2022 high. So if we get to $3 billion, that's where I think market participants will get overly bullish, trying to start going all in on Quant. And that's why I believe we should be selling for some sweet profit. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying Quant right now? Do you still believe in the long-term potential of Quant? How high do you see Quant going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.